Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through making a t-shirt alignment tool / ruler, and we're going to laminate it so you can use that going forward when making shirts. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Cricut Design Space, and I purchased this bundle on Etsy, and I'll leave the link below, and it comes actually in a PDF and an SVG. Today I'm going to use it as an SVG, and I'm going to upload it, and I'm going to change it to a print and cut so we can go ahead and print it, laminate it, and cut it. So let's get started. All you need to do is select your image, and we're going to group it and hit flatten. And so now this is a print and cut. We're going to do the same thing with this. We're going to group it, hit flatten, and that's it. So next we're going to hit make it. And you can see here on the left that this print and cut needs to be on an 8.5 by 11. I don't have an 8.5 by 11 paper. So what I'm going to do is just cut a little extra and tape it, and I'll walk you through how I did that. And we're just going to go ahead and hit continue and send to the printer. And I'm going to leave the bleed on. And let me go ahead and show you how I made the paper big enough, and then we'll just go ahead and hit print. Okay, so I am going to use cardstock, and it needs to be 8.5 by 14, which is legal paper, and I only have 8.5 by 11. So I cut off a little bit extra, and I'm going to show you what I do. So I am going to overlap it a bit, and I'm going to go ahead and tape this here, and I'm going to just tape on this side. I want to get as close to the edge as I can. So here is the paper, and you will have this gap like this in the front. That is fine, because if you put tape on this side and you run it through, then when you place the laminate over it, it smudges and it makes it blurry. Leave it just like this, and now we're gonna go ahead and load it in the printer. This just came off of the printer, and see how it's like that. Let's go ahead and we're gonna place it in the laminate pouch. And you wanna place it in so it lines up exactly to the edge of the laminate, because when we place it on the mat, we want it to line up the way that the Cricut maker is going to see it to cut it. And you'll have a little gap here, that's okay, because it's all pushed in all the way. And now we're ready to laminate it. We're gonna tape it to the larger mat, and you want the cardstock to touch the line up here, and you'll notice that this laminate goes past the line. That's perfect. You just want to make sure that the cardstock lines up on the top and the sides. And let's go ahead and tape it. Now it's taped to the mat, and we're ready to go ahead and cut it. So we're going to go back to Cricut Design Space, and you'll see that it's right here. We're going to go ahead and select I've already printed, and I'm going to use acetate, and I'm going to change the pressure to more, and then we're going to go ahead and put it on the Cricut and go ahead and cut it. I have it set for more, but it didn't cut all the way through, so I'm going to press the play or the go button depending on the Cricut that you have, so it does one more run, and then that should be, I think, just perfect. And you can kind of check it too without taking it off the mat to see. Let's see, yeah, it's perfect. All right, so let's go ahead and take it off. So here we have the adult, and this is for the rounded neck, and then I have the adult for the V-neck. Tell me what you guys think. Leave a comment below. Let me know if this is something that you guys are gonna do. And I like that it is very durable and it'll last. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.